What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Forder. You got me, Solomon, here today, and as you can see, I'm by the gas station, and we've got a 2020 F350 Limited, and we got my buddy Corey over here, and we're about to start making a movie. Basically, we're heading up to Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. We're taking this, probably gonna pick up a trailer along the way, and we're gonna start figuring out what we're doing with the collection. Today is day one, vlog one. It should be a great time, and I'm not even gonna be picking the vlog up that much. We're gonna have a professional-ish video. So we got Corey, and that's that. We'll see you guys on the road. We got a long trip. Guys, so we just made it over here to Atlanta, and as always, I stopped into P15, and then Matt picked up pretty much the only crew cab I've sold so far out of the collection, and he's done a little bit of work since last week. So let's go see what he did.
So I was lucky enough to manage to get one. I'm very thankful for the guys over at Ford Air for making it happen. wouldn't have been possible without them. Yeah, so this is the past week, man. It's just the first 7 days with her, and I don't know where to kind of go with the build, but we're going to try to keep it, you know, an original service body truck, kind of preserve the history and the culture that this truck's been through.
Dude, it looks so sick.
Yeah, so we just did the simple, simple first stage. You get it home, you got to pressure wash it. You got to pressure wash your new baby. So I just took a bunch of simple green and magic erase markers, my bad. As you can tell, I hadn't been doing the landscape, and I've been focused on my new Tonka truck. So
brightened up.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it brightened up a ton. And so literally all I did was just take the Scotch-Brite and in some spots Scotch-Brite, mostly the magic erase marker, and I just went all through the paint. And this is the original clip from the truck. The cab and everything is off of another truck, cab and bed, but that hood and stuff's kind of the original to the frame, the original F26 part of her. So she's a little bit of a hodgepodge, but it's a cool old truck. For what I'm doing with it, I couldn't be more happy to have it and have it back home with us, man.
Dude, I love the wheels and tires you do on there.
Yeah, so the wheels and tires, man, are, if you know me, I'm always wheeling and dealing, and I ended up like kind of swapping an extra set. So these are off my 3rd gen Dodge.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so and it's all the 8x6.5 stuff, so I just threw it on for the time being just to roll it around, and I'm gonna get the 460 in it running. We just need a quick carb on it and some install on the mirrors, and it'll be road legal.
Dude, it looks bitch.
Dude, yeah, it amazed me how well it cleaned up. Cause like when I got it home, I was like, okay, I'm stuck on the yellow. This is like the coolest Tonka truck ever. I was like, I just gotta make it like a raunchy, cool service truck build. And so I'll show you guys. I picked up this an old 94 12 valve, and I got it here, and I got the truck here, and I was like, I don't think I can do it. I was like, I couldn't bring myself to rip out the old Ford motor yet, but this is what we'll have in it eventually. I was like, there's no point in ripping out a good 460 for something that's slower than a 460. So
at least in its current state.
Yeah. So it'll get a full reseal, studded all the way up, big injectors, big pump on it. But that's way down the road for it. That's way down the road. The 460 will be plenty of power for it for a long time, and I just plan on driving it and using it. That's
probably
really
where they could follow you. What's your Instagram?
Yeah, so my panhandle is at Matt Finazzo. I don't post a ton on it, but we're gonna get more into it, and definitely show you guys the process and the journey we're gonna go through with building it. With any process that we go through with the truck, kind of the stages of it, and walk you through it.
And then, since I'm sure you guys are going to be curious about the trucks that we're looking at, there's a bunch of project trucks. So here's a cool OG paint 2-wheel drive that's gonna get some work done eventually. And then behind Corey's a nice dead side. They're pretty much wrapping up.
Yeah, just waiting on some wheels and tires, just the little things.
There's another little clean dead side, and then we got bump crew, a nice high boy, and then a nice little, a cute little shorty.
Yeah, so the cute little shorty we brought home, let's see, that was yesterday, so Monday. It hasn't gotten the whole wash yet, but like any of the trucks that kind of sit out, they're all gonna have a little bit of a mildew kind of build up on them. And it really just takes simple green and a good sponge on it. And I mean, it cleans it all up. The paint that they were laying back then is immaculate compared to what they're doing now. It's just a different breed of painters and material in it. Oh.
Alright guys, we made it over here to what usually is a beautiful sunny Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. Today it's raining, it doesn't matter, we're here. I'm going to do a quick little walk around with you guys. I need to kind of take a mental inventory, so let's go. We did a bunch of walking around. Now we got a lot of thinking to do. So we're gonna go do some talking, thinking, and we'll see you guys back at the Airbnb. All right guys, so we're back over here at the Airbnb, and I'm sure Corey's gonna show you some cool B-roll before we just did this clip. And it was a great day so far, or day's over. It was a great day. We drove up, we left at like 1:30 in the morning. That's when I picked him up from the airport, and we pretty much left straight up here. We stopped in, visited P15. We stopped in to visit Cato. We came over here, spoke with the owner, figured out a couple more things, or the seller that is, and we're figuring a bunch of stuff out. I want to give you guys an update, and the main update is none of the trucks are for sale yet, but they all will be soon. I did not sell them to one big buyer. My game plan is to get all the trucks like washed up, super clean, running and driving, and then like ready for someone to drive away. I think that would be better than selling them as is, and they're still going to be sold at like to what I think would be like wholesale. So just stay tuned. There's going to be more info coming. We're going to be doing daily vlogs while we're up here, so every day we're going to have something coming out, so just stay tuned to the next videos. If you don't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy this type of content, this is what you can, you know, come to see every time. Smash the like button, it really helps us out, and then drop a comment below. Just let me know something, let me know how you're doing, because all that kind of stuff really helps us in the numbers. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support the channel, get hats, t-shirts, all types of stuff, FordAir.com. We'll see you tomorrow.